Please welcome to my channel. I will be unboxing my first justfab item, which is a handbag. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you the box, the insides, and so let's get into it. This is what the box looks like. I can't really show my address, but this is what the box looks like. Justfab. And when I open the box, it's a bit damaged because I saw it with the tape, so I just removed the tape. And when I open the box, I see the price, the bill, and it just told me that I'm a VIP member, and then I get discounts and so forth. And then this is the actual bag. So it's the name is Love Some, and it's black. Yeah. And then the packaging in the back. That's the bag. And it's also got white papers all over it. Yeah. Oh, I like it. I do. It's got took that from there. And the straps are all covered. And the straps are inside. It's got a clip there. I'm gonna open. And then straps all, and I think this is gold, so maybe that. And the tag says justfab, and it just says the price of it, which is a lot. So it just says the price of it, which is focus, please focus. Yeah, it won't focus, but yeah, get the drift. That's the tag. Yeah, and it has also got a justfab in the bag. It's just got justfab there. It's got a zip there. It's got really nice grey insides. Yeah, really nice grey insides. I like it. What is said of this bag. I looked online and I just saw it and I went, wow, this bag is nice. I actually want to get this bag. I don't really, my black bag, it's really old and I need to upgrade to like a shoulder bag because I don't know. I'm just gonna finish unpackaging it and then I'll show you what it really looks like in actual carrying it.
Pull up, 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 pull up.
Guys, make I tell you some story. Go. Lend me your ears, make I tell you about some girl. Whoa.